Okay. Got another Airbnb video for you guys. This time we in beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Santiago. Let you check out this place. Now this place here was a good deal. So this is I think 3-bedroom. We about to check this place out. First we're gonna start in the living room. Right here, nice decor, nice lighting, nice fan right there. Big size TV, beautiful, beautiful wall. Man, I'm liking this place myself already. When you come in, you got the table. So this place is big enough for you and your crew or whoever coming with you, you and your family, whatever. This place looks pretty big. Let's go check this kitchen out. I'm liking this right here. Liking all the decor. Definitely liking it. Just getting off that Caribbean tourist bus. You know how I do it. Check this out right here. Nice kitchen. Nice, nice kitchen. Nice refrigerator. Right here. Lately, people have not been putting water. Must be the economy. Man, when I first started doing these Airbnb videos, everybody used to put water, but you got a bottle right here for your coffee. And all right, we got water down here if you need some. Okay. Nice kitchen. All right. Got your dishes, got a microwave, toaster. Now look, one thing it got here that I definitely like is right here. That washer and dryer. This is so important, and even the cleaning stuff, this is important, man, for you to have a comfortable stay. Because a place like this, you're probably gonna stay at a little bit longer than a day or so. But yeah, you got more plates and things like that. You know, you got everything that you need, man. You got everything. It's your home away from home, so it's cool. Now let's check out some of these bedrooms and see how many bathrooms it got. But this place, you know, Airbnb's changed, so you never know how the price is. It's all supply and demand, but I got this place for a good, cheap price. Let's see. Check out some of these rooms. All right, here's one of the bedrooms right here. This is a bedroom right here with another TV and air conditioning. Man, this place is awesome. Already, I'm loving it. Loving it, loving it. And it's in a pretty good location. Security, look, you got your bathroom right here, shower. This little ugly fellow right here. Nice looking spot. I know what this is. Okay. This is a closet. All right, you got some extra sheets, extra everything. Already, this place is a win for me because it got a fan and that just one bedroom. So now there's other bedrooms in here. So that's what makes this thing a steal. You stay in here with a couple of people, it's a win. Oh Lord, this is cold in here. All right, we got another bedroom right here. It's your second bedroom with your TV. Guess they forgot the air conditioner on. I'm gonna turn it off because I don't like to kill people like that, you know what I mean? I know exactly how it goes to own property, but this is awesome already. So it's already a win for the 2 bedrooms. All right, another closet. So this is already a win right there. So let's see. We got another one here. One of these is that must be the bathroom. Here we go, a 3rd bedroom. 3rd bedroom right here, AC, another TV. Come on, man. You can't beat this with a bat. This is an excellent deal. Okay. Now the clock, so looks like that other place, the other room, the first one is the master because it got a bathroom in there. And you have here another bathroom. And the place is clean, looks good. I'm appreciating this place, man. So this is a 3-bedroom spot. 3 bedroom, 2 bathroom. The size of a house. Good deal. Place is beautiful. We got a balcony right here, so you can see a little bit of the city. Where we at? I've been telling you guys, man, Santiago them grew on me. So you got a good seating area, you got a mosquito net, and over here, I'm quite sure I'm gonna take a picture of it. You have a pool and a kids area if you have a family. Gorgeous spot, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous area. Gorgeous. So just wanted to show you guys this, man. You know, I'm always trying to put people in safe places. Look, I don't even get a lot of views off these kind of videos, but I do it for the love of it. I like to show how beautiful this country is. That's one of the reasons why I do it. And Dominican Republic is a beautiful country with great prices. Now look, something like this in the United States, man, they're gonna bust your head. Like for 2 days, it was under 150 bucks, man. You can't beat that. So just wanted to tell you guys that, man. Get out and see the world. If I can do it, cripple, anybody can do it. You know, you can get out and see things, man, but this is what this is all about, man. So just want to tell you guys, man, love you guys, man. I'm out. Appreciate you guys, man. Stay rocking with the channel, because I'm going to stay rocking with you. I'm out.